Psyching myself out. Psyching myself out. Hello beautiful, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Chanel. If you're not new, well, thank you for coming back. So, as you read by the title, this is another makeup challenge. But not just any makeup challenge. Oh no. Nope. This is a fuzzy velvet sponge makeup challenge. So, if you don't know what this is a Juno Co velvet makeup sponge, or a lot of people like to call it the fuzzy sponge, and they come in 2 different shapes and sizes, as you can see. So the look that I am about to create is going to be using just these sponges, nothing else. It's not going to be easy. I probably should have practiced before I did this video. I probably really should have, but I didn't. But don't worry, if you're curious, I went ahead and made me an order of more sponges, and they're currently in my mailbox. I just have to go pick them up. So I did order me some before you see what I'm going to be doing to this sponge for this whole application thing. Okay, so I did order me some more of these. So I'm just going to start off my makeup application the same way I would do if I'm going to work. And I will start off with my face, and then I'll do my eyes. I'm thinking I should probably do my eyes first, but we'll see how well this goes. So the primer I'm going to be using is this Pores No More primer by Dr. Grant. I'm just going to use a little bit of that. Oops. A little bit, and too much comes out. I'm using a little bit of that on the butt end of this sponge here. And I'm just placing the primer where I have the most pores that I have in my face. So that's what I'm doing. Alright, now that that is done, I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of liquid highlight to highlight this part of my face. And I'm going to go in with this NYX Away We Glow right here. And this is in the shade Untamed. Foundation I'm going in with is the Fenty foundation, and I'm in the shade 420, and I'm going to wet my sponge now to apply my foundation, which I probably should have done before I sat back down. Highlight, and I'm going to use the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer in the shade Golden, and I'm just going to take another little sponge here, and I'm going to apply it right onto the sponge, just like that. And now I'm going to highlight. And this sponge is not wet. I'm using the sponge dry. So, as you guys are sitting here watching me do this, if you guys have not ever tried a Juno Co makeup sponge, they're really good sponges. They don't soak up the product. They're very, very affordable. I have a link down below in my description box if you would like to go and check them out. Now that I'm all highlighted, I'm going to blend this side out. Blend it out so it looks so harsh. Now I'm going to go ahead and set my under eye. Remember, we're not using any brushes. so I don't want to put too much on my face because I can't brush it off. This probably would work well with a wet sponge too, but I wanted to try it with a dry one. Where I'm going to go ahead and cream contour, and I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution contour stick right here. And this is just the only shade they have. I'm going to go back in with the wet sponge, and I'm going to use this flat side right here. And I'm just going to put some right there. I'm not sure how this is going to work out, y'all. Oh, whoa, okay, hold on. I know, I'm going to put some like on the very edge right here on my sponge. That looks good. What do you guys think? I think that looks good. Then I'm going to go ahead and add some definition to my forehead right here. Alright. I'm liking this. We're going to move on to the eyes. Now, like I was saying earlier, I did order me some more of these sponges because I really do like them, and because I'm about to destroy one right now. Juno Co, if you're watching this, I am so sorry, but I'm about to destroy this sponge. Alright, so I got a clean sponge right here. Clean, I have not used it, and I have my scissors, okay? So I have to do an eye look, because this is a full face of using just a sponge. Just this sponge alone. So I have to do an eye look, I have to do my brows, if you can tell, my brows are done. And I need some mascara, okay? So, I'm going to chop this, alright? And it'll be kind of interesting, because you can actually see what's inside of the sponge, okay? Me too. So as you can see, I am going to chop this thing in half. Making sure I don't chop my fingers. Alright, so, wait, where'd the other part go? Oh, here it is. So if you're ever curious on what's inside of a Juno Co sponge, this is the inside of it, okay? It's like a bright blue, and it feels really pretty. Alright, so, okay. Now that you've seen the inside, let me finish going and chopping this up, because I gotta get it small enough so I can do my brows. So I'm gonna go in and do my eyeshadow. So for eyeshadow, you guys would think that I will probably go in with a natural color eyeshadow, and because it'll be easy, right? Nah. I'm gonna go in with this Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette right here. Yeah, why? Because for one, it's in my monthly makeup drawer, and I have not used this month, so I'm gonna go in with this palette, and I got my little sponge, and I'm gonna use this portion of it, the bottom portion of it, and I'm just going to dab it right here. I'm not doing any brush movement. I'm not sweeping it across. I'm stamping it in like I would do my foundation. Now I want to blend the two shades out. So the next shade I'm going to go in with burnt orange. So I'm going to take this top part down here and I'll put it right back in raw sienna. And then this bottom portion of the sponge right here, I'm going to put it in burnt orange. So I can kind of blend the shades out together. Hopefully that works. Next I'm going to go in with this shade right here. It's kind of like a brown burgundy shade, and I'm going to use do my under eye area here. No, maybe you sure you thought about this before you did this. And I'm gonna go back in with raw sienna and kind of blend it out. Alright, next is the brows, and I'm going in with my ColourPop brow pomade in the shade Black Brown. I'm using the smaller piece of this sponge. We're about to see how this is going to work. Mascara right here. It's on the sponge. You see what I'm putting on the other half of the sponge here. The other half. And I'm just going to brush it on here, I guess. I guess that's how I'm going to do it. I got some product on my lashes. I really did. You know, I did. Not easy. So now this part, I'm happy I cut this sponge because now I'm not worried about it getting all over my lid. And if I wouldn't have cut the sponge, it probably would have gotten all over my lid. I would be mad. So next I'm going to go in with blush. I have two blushes here, and I'm going to take the butt end of another clean sponge. And I'm just going to kind of like, see? Ooh, you're not going in the face like that. But I'm just going to mix the two shades together like that. So we're going to see how, Rishi's, we got to blend that out. We got to blend that out. This look is coming out pretty nice. So next we're going to add some here, and I'm going in with this highlight also from ColourPop, and this is in my project pan. You know what? I want to go in with another highlight, so I'm going to go in with a highlight from Note Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Caramel Cake. This is also in my monthly makeup drawer. Part that I'm afraid of. Gotta do my lips. Okay, so the shade I'm gonna go in with is actually this shade right here. It's on my hand. This is the Tarte Liquid Lip Paint, and this is in the shade Vibin'. Like it. I actually liked how it came out. Don't do what I did, okay? But anyways, this is how the makeup look came out. It's very, very cute. I'm happy I was able to achieve this whole look with just a sponge. Well, multiple sponges. But all I used was a Juno Co sponge, and it came out really, really cute. This is a look I can wear out. And for an everyday look too, it's very, very pretty. I probably wouldn't do like the little wings over here I got on the side, you know, even though that's kind of a mistake. But other than that, the look came out gorgeous. It's very, very pretty. But anyways, Thank you so much for watching, and always remember to embrace your beauty. And once again, if you would like to try Juno Co, you can use my little discount code down below in the description box. You just go to the website and use the code Chanel at your checkout, and you can save some coins. I don't get anything from it, which is perfectly fine, but it will save you guys some coins. So, you gotta save money anywhere we can. Well, at least I have. Thank you so much for watching, and always remember to embrace your beauty, and I'll talk to you again later. Bye. I have a question. What do you think of this look right here? All I used was these sponges. And just one new pieces.
Mommy, you look pretty.
Thank you!